guys, do you like this? I just made it with construction paper that I craft haul, and I just bought rubber bands. Oops. Yeah, so let's go. I'm a collector. I have smaller than I have 7 to collect. I have 7 collectible what do you call it? Blind bags, Kookoos. It named Kookoo, Candle, and Kookoo Bird. So I have 2 Kookoo Bird and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 8 Kookoo, and the Kookoo Bird and 6 Kookoo dogs or kennel, whatever you call it. First, I have this too. I'm just gonna put it there. Just gonna, just so that. Okay. The different about this, because they're like fuzzy too, like them. Fuzzy. It's kind of dirty because I bought them a long time ago, so this is new ones. It's not old ones. I just bought them in my craft haul video if you saw. So here's the first one. I call her Candy because it's like rainbow candy in her mouth. Not so rainbowish, but yeah. I call him Brandon. Yeah, I just call her. Now let's go with this Kookoo kernels. Emily, love bugs. They like boy and girl because they are boy and girl. Because the boy is taller. See, when you can see the difference about them. See the difference. When I go to Toys R Us, I saw no Kookoo birds. Like, it's now all gone in just a few months. Yeah, you heard me, few months. And now I have one bottle, and I saw Kookoo kernels that so I bought 5 of them, but when I opened this up, baby boys up, I saw 2 this bulldog. I cannot believe it. Actually, I traded. No, actually, I came with my cousin, and my cousin just gave it to me because it's ugly. She just wants a poodle. So yeah, it's like teddy bear to us. Yeah, it's good teddy bear for LPS. Not this one. You can kiss the boy up. Actually, yeah. Not this to be teddy bear. This will be great teddy bear. Yeah, because it's their tummy. Some of them are licking, like even the poodle. I really wanted the poodle, but my cousin don't want to give it to me, so I will buy more. It's only $1. So yeah, this. I don't have a name for them actually. This is Brownie. Why? This is Brownie. This is Whitey. This is Fatty. This is Orangey. Yeah, Licky. I meant this. I will give some of them. I want only this, and I only have 7. So I will give this as a trade. So first you will give me the poodle, and I will trade you this. I know there's no trade in Kookoo, but yeah. Maybe not. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I just want, yeah. So or just give it to my cousins. They love Kookoo birds and Kookoo kennel. They have like 70 of them. What? So yeah. So they have no German Shepherd, of course. I meant 12 of them. They completed okay, I'm lying for the 70. But they have the series 2. So they're like 12 plus 11, 12, 23 of them. So yeah, because they need the series 1, 2, but they don't have a German Shepherd. So I will just give it to my cousin because she'll really need this, even whatever kind it is. So I'll trade with her. Hello cousin, if you're watching this. Really, I don't want you to, she has no YouTube account, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate, comment. Bye.